my channel. So today I have a Gucci unboxing. This is actually a very late Mother's Day gift. So it's here finally. It actually came right after the Mother's Day. You know, everything these days just takes, it feels like forever, but I have to say Gucci was relatively quick. Of course, it was an online order. So yeah, we placed an order online, and this is a new handbag, so I'm super excited, you guys. I always wanted something from that line, but I didn't want to go to kind of retro. You'll know what I mean. But yeah, so I was surprised, you guys, when the package, you know, when it came, they actually included a shopping bag, so that's a bonus, so thank you so much. Here is the box. How beautiful it is. I know it's like way after Mother's Day, but yeah, I'm still super excited, you guys. So yeah, let's unbox it. Let me just take this off. And I was actually recently, like 2 months ago, I was checking the Gucci website because I thought, you know, Gucci kind of started going a little bit bizarre again. And you know, I was looking at some bags, and I had one bag that I was kind of thinking to buy, but then I thought it was just way too big. So when I noticed this online, you know, I showed my husband, and he goes like, yeah, this is really pretty. So I took the ribbon off, and let's see. So this is the magnetic box. Here's all the tissue paper with the Gucci sticker. And let's see, I'm just gonna do it here because it's very hard to hold it up. So let me undo the sticker. I believe that this particular handbag, I've never seen it in person, by the way. I've only seen it online, and I've seen a couple of people showing it on the Facebook, you know, the Gucci Addicted website. I think this handbag, this particular handbag, is relatively new. Tell me if I'm wrong, if you know more about this. All right. So here it is, the Gucci dust bag. Let me take this box. All right, so, oh my God, it smells so good. You know, the leather smell. Oh, if you open up and you can just smell, this is incredible. Wow. All right, so here it is, you guys. There we go. How cute. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, you guys. So this is called, I don't even know what it is called. I think this is, well, it's a Ophidia line, and it's a, I know it says like a medium tote or something like that when we were checking online. How cute is that? So this is all canvas, and it's actually really soft. I didn't expect the canvas to be so soft. As you can see, I'm pressing and it's quite soft, and it has, you know, the obviously the little Gucci stripe here, and then this is the Ophidia kind of Mormont, I don't know, what do you call it, the logo. I think they call it like an Ophidia or something, I don't know. But anyway, this is the handbag. So obviously it's a tote. It's very simple. This is the back of this. Here's the bottom. Like I said, it's very soft. And all of these, yeah, this is what it smells. This smells so incredible, you guys. So the trimming is with this kind of a brownish leather. And the CCs are super shiny. I'm not sure if you can see them on the camera, but they are super shiny. Looks beautiful. And you know, I'm glad is it like a treated leather, so it's gonna be like all weather bag, which I love. Okay, so let me show you now inside. So it has like a little magnetic closure right here. All right, so let me take the stuffing out and we'll take a look at inside. Oh wow, this is super beautiful. See, like online they didn't have like a very good pictures of the inside. Take a look at this. How beautiful. So I love the fact that it's a light interior, so you can actually see what's in your bag. And I'm not sure, is this a suede? It feels like a suede. I don't know, I'll have to find out, but unless it's some kind of a microfiber kind of man-made material, I don't know, but it's literally feels like a suede. I would think it's not, but I don't know. Would they put a suede interior? Probably not. Feels super nice, super luxurious, super nice. So again, here's the magnetic closure, and as you can tell, it's pretty loud, you know, it's pretty like hard, like it will hold quite a bit. And then there's a couple of pockets in here. So on this wall, you can probably see there's two slip, or this is just one slip pocket. So I assume, because this one is not very deep, I assume this one could be perfect for like a cell phone, you know, to kind of put in here. And then there is one more pocket on this side. Let's take a look at here. There's a bunch of stuff. Okay, so here's the tag. Let's see, maybe there's a name for this thing. No, I don't see anything. And those are like, you know, the information. I don't know why is it so many in here, but anyway. That's what was in the packet. So this packet is deep. You can probably put a cell phone, not a cell phone, a wallet in here. So I would put probably cell phone in here. You can put a wallet in here if you don't want to leave it, you know, in the main compartment. Then you can just zip it up for the security. And of course it says right here, Gucci made in Italy. And there is a little in the packet, I noticed, probably would be hard to tell, but here in the corner there's like a little black little tag. Do you see it? So that's probably like authenticity number, or you know, something, some kind of a number. So yeah, so it's, you know, it's a very simple tote, but at the same time I like the fact that it does have something, you know, some closure. I'll be probably more happy if there was a zip. So like I mentioned before, I was looking couple of months ago, and they had this tote, which was, it wasn't like from Ophidia line, it was just, you know, like a typical this, a kind of canvas, very plain tote, and had a zip, but I look at the measurements and it was just huge. So I don't know, you guys, I just didn't want to buy, you know, I was kind of on the fence. I just felt like it was just too big to be like an everyday bag, because I feel like this could be a perfect everyday bag. And you know, I went online again before the Mother's Day, and the other bag was gone. I think you can still get it maybe like in Neiman Marcus or something, but on Gucci website it was no longer available, and they pretty much, I think, replaced it with this one. Like I mentioned, I think this one is relatively new, because I didn't see it like 2 months ago when I, you know, originally was checking up some bags. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's super cute. I would say that this is probably similar to the Neverfull. Let me actually bring the Neverfull and we can do a comparison very quickly. Okay guys, so I think they are pretty, I'm trying to fit in. I think they are pretty comparable. I think they are on the similar sides. I think the Gucci has maybe a slightly longer straps. I feel like they are just, do you see it? Like it's a little bit more of the strap drop, but I think they are relatively, look at this, here's on the side, relatively similar. There we go. Yeah, you know, Neverfull, it's also soft. I mean, they are very similar. So I assume that I could possibly use, say I have this this organizer in my Neverfull. This is the organizer. So if I put it in here, we'll see. This will probably fit. Since there are, yeah, fits like a glove, you guys. Look at this. It's just perfect. Look at this, see? So I could actually, if I want to, I can actually, you know, use it in this handbag as well. To be honest with you, I'm not too crazy about the organizer. I'll use it, you know, occasionally, but overall I like the slouchiness of the handbags, you know, and I feel like yeah, I like to kind of throw things in. So this bag is super light. For those who will be wondering, it's super light. It's probably as light as the Neverfull. They're both relatively light, you know, because this is just, let me see. This is, yeah, they are both super light, so it's basically the same thing. I know you're gonna be probably asking me about the price. I'm gonna say I think it was 1,200 for this handbag. That's what I'm thinking. I'll double check. I can try to link it down below for you guys, but I think it was there's no price on this thing. I think it was 1,200. And like I said, I ordered from the Gucci website. I don't know if they have it on, you know, Nordstrom or Neiman Marcus, because like I said, I think it's relatively new. So yeah, so that's what I have for today, you guys. Let me know, what do you think? Let me know if you like this handbag. Do you think it's a good, you know, purchase? I mean, obviously it's a gift, so I appreciate gifts. And by the way, speaking of gifts, my husband, my dear husband, also ordered me something that I kind of had on my wish list from Hermes, and he placed an order on May 4th. You know, hopefully thinking that it's gonna get, it was I think Monday, May 4th, and the Mother's Day was that weekend. And he was thinking, like, you know, if I order on Monday, it's gonna get there by Friday. Today is what, the 21st, and I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. They still didn't send it. I called them already. I called Hermes. You know, everybody says that they are so behind with the shipping. I don't know. It's just so annoying, you guys. If you close the stores, just have a good, you know, customer service online. I don't know. I could complain, but I'm just over it now, okay? I'm just over it. So anyway, this is it, you guys. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like this handbag? I think it's a keeper. I think it's really cute, so I hope I'm gonna enjoy it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.